Hello everyone! Welcome back to the AI video. In this one, we are at TAD AI, and I have something amazing to show you. This is a new AI music generator, and it allows you to create incredible songs with lyrics just by using text prompts. It's built on genres and moods. And here's the thing, it's easy to use. And the best part is that you can try it for free. So join me, and let's take a look at the website and the app. Okay, so the first step is easy. Go to their website, tad.ai, the links are in the description below, and then just click on that link. When you do that, you'll see this website. You can click on sign up if you don't have an account, or sign in if you do. Also take a look here, when I click on pricing, while you're here, they have a free account. So you get 20 credits, that's about 4 songs you can use for free. So you can try it before you buy it, which is very fair. I have an account. I'm going to click on sign in. When you're logged in, you should see a page that looks like this. Now let me show you some of the music I've already created.
Rolling down the street with his face to the sun, Chucky Bulldog marches on.
Rolling through the morning light, my bulldog buddy shining bright.
Oh, the old man sings loud on a donkey ride.
The first thing that was awesome for me is how easy it is to use. The interface is minimal and clean, it's not cluttered. The good stuff is right here in the middle you see some music. These are some samples that other people have made, and of course you can click on reuse prompt. I'll show you that later. Now let's create. The first thing you can do up here is enter a song title. Second thing, lyrics. Now here's where it gets interesting. We can do 2 things. You have a song you've written, you have your own lyrics. Put them there. I just copy paste the same lyrics and the tool generates a song with those lyrics. That's the first way. The second way, and this is where AI really comes in, is you can let AI write lyrics for you. It says, tell us about your song. So you get this little pop-up, you can type anything you want. So there it is. I'm going to click generate. It already created a verse. Actually the whole song. Look at this. So this is awesome. We just clicked on AI generate. It gave us a song. If we didn't like it, we can always delete it and rerun until we get what we want, right? Let's scroll down a little. You can click on create and just go with it. But if you click on advanced features, here's where you can have some fun. First thing, genre. TAD AI basically revolves around these 2 things. Pick a genre and then pick a mood. Want rap? Let's rap it. Yeah, let's rap it. For mood. Well, it's not like angry, but kind of like very energetic. Okay, you know what? Let's pick energetic. I like that. Of course, you can choose anything and mix however you like, but really that's the whole deal. I'm going to click create and watch this. This process from going from create to a complete song takes about 30 seconds. We got 2 complete songs out of this, so let's listen to the first one.
Ballin' in the wrong hood, that's a death wish call. Grove Street, rise up, watch the purple flags fall. From Chamberlain to Idlewood, we reclaim the throne. Balance, pack your shit up, take your weak ass home. Yeah, you bleed the same red when the lid starts flying. Los Santos knows the truth, Grove Street ain't dying.
Okay, here it is. Very smooth, low-key, but has a rap angle. Now, if I want to make a different version, like instead of rap, I want rock, I just need to click those 2 buttons. Click create. Watch this.
We are the revolution in every riff, turning with tide with a power shift, louder than bombs in the atmosphere.
You can change the genre, change the moods. You can change the music, change the lyrics yourself. I think we talked enough about the website version. Let's move on to the app now. You can download the app from both the App Store and Google Play. The first time you log in, here's the section where we need to handle the work. Just like before, by writing a prompt in this section, you can create a song. If you turn on the instrumental option, it can generate a high-quality instrumental track for you. The Think option can make your simple text more beautiful, professional, and even poetic. Since I already showed this part completely on the website, let's skip it and go straight to the new items. Here we see items like lip sync and AI cover. From lip sync, you can upload a photo and it will lip sync to the song for you. And believe me if I say it's one of the best, I'm not exaggerating.
Owls cry lonely tunes as twilight swallows afternoon.
The quality of lip sync with the sound is truly flawless. AI Cover lets you hear a song with your own voice or even other famous characters. Imagine creating a song with SpongeBob's voice or even famous singers.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
The quality is truly amazing. The voices are natural and clear, and I personally loved it. This app really takes music and creativity to a new level. This is just a little of what you can do with TAD AI. If you like a song, of course you can just click the download button, and it's ready, downloaded. Remember, these are copyright-free, no copyright issues, so you can use them in your YouTube videos, your social media accounts, nothing to worry about. If you want to share them, you can share them on your social media. Everything is there, guys, easy to use. Easy navigation. It makes amazing things, and it's definitely worth trying. Now it's your turn. Definitely give it a try too. Testing it is free. I put a link in the description below for your access to the website. Tell me in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.